Nearly 90 million Americans snore when they sleep. A quarter of couples say it ruins their sex lives, and 10% say they've even considered divorce. We take solving this medical condition really seriously and are committed to offering you a better quality of sleep. It is crucial that you mold the mouthpiece correctly in order for it to work properly. The mouthpiece works by holding your lower jaw slightly forward, pulling the tongue and soft tissue from obstructing the upper airway. Ensure the mouthpiece is in the upright position and insert the spatula. Practice the process before doing the final mold. Pour boiling water into a glass. Use the spatula to submerge the mouthpiece for 18 seconds before removing. The mouthpiece is designed to be molded when hot and will not burn you. Now place the mouthpiece down onto your lower jaw, then gently bring your upper jaw down to the mouthpiece, making sure not to bite the inner or outer walls. Move your lower jaw forward, bite down firmly, and use your index fingers to create a comfortable impression. Now remove the mouthpiece and run under cold water to rinse. Remember, it may take a couple nights to get accustomed to sleeping with the mouthpiece. SnoreMeds. Stop snoring, change your life.